It's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel. Well, this is my first video of the year 2022 and let me start by saying Happy New Year to you all. May this new year brings more blessings, more favor, open doors, good health, and also above all, more money. We're going to cash out this year. As you can tell by the title of the video, I will be unboxing my new baby. So I'm so excited to do the unboxing with you guys. Ta-da! This is my baby right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but this is how it came. This is it. It says M45 18 inches lead selfie ring light. This is how it came. Okay. I'll say the packaging is quite okay. And also, this is the tripod. Okay, so I ordered this on the 5th. If you can see, I ordered this on the 5th of January this year, and it arrived on the 26th. So I'll rate the delivery 2/10. Because it didn't come on time and it was not delivered on time. So I rated 2/10. Delivery 2/10. So for the price for this is I got it for 44,950, approximately 45k. So this is it. Without further ado, let's unbox. Sorry, let me adjust this so that you can see it clearly. This is how it came. Oops. This is right. Okay. Guys, my new baby's around. Okay. And this is the tripod. So let's start with the tripod stand. Hope I'm doing this right. Okay. This is it. Yes, you tighten this knot. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Let me see the length of this tripod all the way. Wow. Woo. It's quite long. So this is the tripod stand. Set this aside and then go over to this one. Let's see what is inside. I'm so excited. Wow. So this is the ring light. That's the back side. Okay. Comes with okay, this is the battery charger. I don't know if you can see battery charger. This is the battery itself, second battery. Okay, comes with a remote. a free gift. Wow. Bluetooth shutter. So they gave me a gift, a free gift. Bluetooth shutter. This is the charger. So I think you can use this when there's light if you don't want to use the battery. So you use this one right here. And then when there's no light, I'll go with the battery. Yeah. Okay, so we have here the mirror. This is the mirror. Okay. Okay, the mirror. And also it comes with 3 phone holders. Yeah, let me move one so you can see it clearly. Yeah, this is how the phone holder looks like. You can tail it anyhow you want. So it comes 3. Yeah, so there's nothing left. So loves, let's set this new baby up. So we'll start with the battery. So these are the battery. You can see this. Okay, so these are the batteries. And this is the battery charger. That's how it comes. So 2 batteries. Alright love, so I fixed the battery. These are the 2 batteries. Now we're using just the batteries. Let's see if it's working. So this is the on and off. Yay! Okay, so the battery is working. Let's turn it to face us. So let's see how it looks from here. Wow, my video is now going to be lit! Yay! Okay, it's too bright. Okay. Wow. So I rate this everything is working perfectly. Yeah, everything is working perfectly. So these are the two batteries came with, this and this. I'm currently using the battery right now. Yeah, so, and it's so bright, so bright. Okay. Wow. And then I'll be using the charger direct light. So one battery off, second battery off. So we'll be using the direct charger. Okay. Plug it right here. And then plug this here. Okay. Okay. So let's go on. Switch. Yeah. Perfect. Everything is in check. Okay. You can actually change the light. Okay, and it's also 3 adjustable dimmable lights. This is the natural, this is the neutral, I think, and this is the warm. Yay! My light is working perfectly. So I'll rate this whole light 100/100 because it's working perfectly. The battery is working, and also the charger is working. So you can either use this when there is light, you connect the charger directly to the ring light and then to come up, or you can use the battery when there's no light. Yeah, so if NEPA tries to fuck up, we use the battery. So loves, I know you can tell the difference now. I'm currently using the new ring light to film right now, so I'll be using this remote to control the light. Let's start with warm. So this is warm. You can reduce it, yeah, and then increase it. So interesting. And this is medium. And let's go with cool. Yeah, so this is cool. So you increase it. Wow, this is so interesting. You increase it. So this is the maximum, and then this is neutral. Are you feeling it? Max. Maximum. Okay, you increase it. Wow, this is so bright. Wow. Let's dim it. This is dim. Yeah, increase. So my favorite light is neutral. Yeah, this is my favorite. Yes guys, so before I go, let me introduce you to my first baby, my #1 baby. The ring light I've been using from day one I started a YouTube video. So this is it, and this one is all the way. Okay, screw this one down, bring it all the way down. Okay, so this is the first ring light I bought when I started my YouTube channel. So this is the ring light I've been using to film, and it's so portable, easy to carry, easy to assemble, and easy to disassemble. Yeah, and I love this ring light so well, so very much. See? This up. There's the back side. Raise it up. Okay. This is 360. Yeah. Okay, tighten this one. Okay. Bring it back or forward. Yeah. So this little baby have helped me since from day one, since from my first journey, like since I started YouTube. This little baby have helped me all the way. So guys, I'll be using this clothes, this beast right in front of me. Alright loves, we have come to the end of the unboxing. I do hope you enjoy watching this unboxing, or you enjoy unboxing my new baby with me. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment, ask your questions guys, please. And at this point, if you're not yet subscribed, please, like I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Please join the family. Alright loves, I will see you in my next video.